Okay, so Levi spends £410 on a string of lights, and the string of lights go from B to A here and then A to C. That's what the question says, and then there's 6 meters left over. Okay, so they've got the geometry of it here in this triangle, from B to A and then A to C. 6 meters left over, and you notice I've written 52 there because it is an isosceles triangle. It's symmetrical at this point, and we've got same angle there as a result because it's symmetrical. Now what's good about this is if I cover this up, you can see, well, we've just got a single right angle triangle, and I can work out the length of this, yeah, using trigonometry. Okay, SOHCAHTOA, and of course this would be my hypotenuse opposite the right angle. Here then I've got my opposite, the angle, and here's my adjacent. Alright, now adjacent, they tell me, don't they? They tell me what the adjacent is. What I need here is to work out what the hypotenuse is. Yeah, does that make sense? Because that's the length I want. If I can work out this length here, I then know how long that length of string is there, and quite simply then I double it, wouldn't I? Because this is going to be identical, it's symmetrical, so it's going to be exactly the same. So A and H, we're going to use, of course, trigonometry, SOHCAHTOA, and because it's A and H, it's going to be cos, isn't it? So because 52, okay, cos of the angle equals A, okay, A over H, A divided by H, so A is 2.5 divided by H. Now my unknown, the one I want, this H is on the bottom, and it doesn't matter really if it's on the bottom, you just got to do a little bit more work, okay? But whatever's on the bottom here, you always take up, if you remember, because you're dividing here, you're dividing by this, you take it over and you times. So we're dividing by H, so take it over to times by H. As I said, when the letter's on the bottom, there's a bit more work to do, because you take that up, don't you, in times, and we're not near the answer yet, but what you realise then is to get H, when you times it by cos 52, so to get H on its own, because you times it by cos 52, we'll take it over, and of course then we'll divide, don't we? Because the opposite of timesing is divide. So 2.5 divided by cos 52 will give me H. Okay, and we get 4.06. Okay, now that's H. Okay, or that's the length B to A, equals 4.06 meters, which is also equal to A to C. It's identical, isn't it? They're both the same, right? Isosceles triangle. So we can now work out the total length of the string. The string of lights. That would be 4.06 times 2. So add another one. Plus then, of course, if you remember, there's 6 meters, it says there's 6 meters left over at one end. So we add these together, right, that will be 14.12 meters. Okay, that's how much string he's got. We paid £410 for 14.12 meters. So how much did you pay for 1 meter? So all you've got to do then is 410 divided by 14.12. And we get £29.04. Okay, so we can simply make that statement. He paid £29.04 per meter.